Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all happy. May Almighty keep you all happy did, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So today we'll share with you the very beautiful designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to people in the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get my ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very useful and helpful. Keep your guys, so I keep similar with designs, dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us now in the comment box how can like our videos. Is you want watch any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers. And if you guys want to take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs, is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designer for you guys. Don't miss off any videos on my channel. So friend, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in kind of all fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember in prayer, and bye.